7 for 3. Yeah, you can get this from Yuvraj every now and then. He can fall prey to a pad first, then the bat. Gone for the appeal. Sarfraz feels that there's a strong case. Right, they've gone for a review. So the case here to study for the third umpire is pad first.
Certainly looks like it has. Coming up now, Richard. Impact is in line. And it's going on to hit the wickets. Seavey overturning her decision. You're on camera now, Richard.
Incredible. What a wicket. Shadab. Pull shot. Catch it is the call. MS is out. Caught by Imad Wasim. The trap was set. And it's Hassan Ali who's given Pakistan and not over it. Very good catch by Imad Wasim. Low, and he took it well.
Incredible wickets. Oh, this one's gone straight up. This is going to be another wicket. The captain's called for it and takes it with the big hands. 6th wicket gone. Shadab Khan strikes again. No need for a review this time. And
yeah, it did. It sort of got stuck in the pitch. And it just turned and gripped. And as this pitch has gone on, it just dried out a little bit. And look at that. 18-year-old absolutely pumped. I reckon he could just about take on Rocky Balboa. The way he's bowling at the moment, how pumped he was. Yo!
oh, interesting shot that from Hardik Pandya. This bounces inside the rope. Actually left it, and then at the very last minute, it is batting.
Did he actually play it, you reckon? It was right at the last minute.
Has he got enough? Yes, he has. Hit back more than enough. It's gone in the second tier.
The leg spinner to continue. That's hit through the onside, and that's gone miles into the stands. He's a very powerful hitter, Hardik Pandya. And that's against the turn over the mid-wicket boundary through the onside. This time again, will he clear the boundary? He does. Back-to-back sixes for Hardik Pandya. Hits it again. Third six of the over. 3 consecutive sixes. Brings up his 15 good time in just... This time through mid-wicket. It'll go over mid-on. Another 6 for Hardik Pandya. He moves on to 70 in very quick time.
Well, just